Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my very first video. I'm super excited to film this, but also a little nervous. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I thought I'd just give it a go. I was really excited to share my new handbag that I just purchased, and I thought you guys would like to see what I got. So yeah, let's get on to the handbag reveal. So, the bag that I got is a Gucci bag, and it came in a dust bag like this. And I'm so excited to open it. I did take a peek already because I couldn't wait. I was just too excited, but I love it so much. So let me get this out. And here it is, my new Gucci Marmont Velvet bag. And the size that it comes in is, that I got it in, is a mini. So, but as you can tell, it's a very, very good size. I wouldn't say that it was a mini at all. It's more like a small size bag for me, at least. But yeah, so this is it. It's in this beautiful, bright red color. I've had my eye on this bag for quite a while now, but I just couldn't figure out what color I wanted. It just comes in like the prettiest colors. Dark blue color, it comes in a pink color, a light blue color, this red color. It also, of course, comes in black. But yeah, I've actually never seen this particular color in person in any of the stores that I went to, any of the Gucci stores or Neiman Marcus or even Saks, because everyone was just sold out of this color. So I wasn't really sure what to expect when I got it in person, but I was very, very, very pleased once I did get it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like from the front. And then in the back, it has this cute little heart stitched into it. The hardware is in like this gold color, but it's not like a bright gold, it's an antique gold, and I think it just looks really, really nice against the red velvet. It's so gorgeous. So you open the bag by pressing this button down over here, and then it just pops open. And then this is what it looks like from the inside. Has some stuffing in it, so let me take that out. And it has the most gorgeous lining inside. It's like this deep turquoisey blue color. It's actually very, very roomy. I'm pretty sure it can fit like my wallet. I have an iPhone 8 Plus that can easily fit in there as well. Any like makeup you may need could fit in here. Pretty much anything that you need on like a day-to-day basis could definitely fit into this bag. I think it's like a perfect like everyday kind of bag. There's quite a few ways to wear it, so I'll show you a few ways that I would wear this bag. So the first way would just be kind of like this over your shoulder, like the long way. Yeah, I mean, I usually wear my bags like this a lot, but my favorite way would just be like to wear it as a crossbody bag, and that's how I wear most of my bags, especially the ones that have like a long chain like this. I don't know, I just feel like it's more comfortable when you wear it crossbody. And then another way to wear it would be you could double up the chain like this and just wear it like shorter around your shoulder like that. It also looks cute. And then you could also just kind of sit it on your elbow and just kind of hold it like that. So yeah, there's quite a few ways to wear this bag. It's very versatile, I think. Normally when I think of velvet, I would think that it would only be for like the winter time or anything like that, but I see myself using this in the spring and summer too. I wouldn't just kind of only use it in the winter months or anything. This would also be really nice in the holiday season. I'm really, really excited that I finally got my hands on this. Like I said, I've been wanting it for a while. I'm happy I went with this red color. So if you're thinking about getting this bag, I would highly recommend it. It comes in a few other sizes. I think there's a small and a medium. I can't imagine how big a medium would be if the mini is like this size, but I'm sure it's gorgeous nonetheless. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, I don't have a formal backdrop or anything like that. I'm just literally just sitting in my living room. I'm not even on my couch because the lighting just is better here, so it just has to do for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your comments below. What do you think of this bag? Do you like the color? Are you planning on getting a bag like this? Also, let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to watch. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!